Hey guys, this is your learning assistant for Biology 1009. Today I have a very short and concise video to compare and contrast animal cells and plant cells, which are both eukaryotes. So animal cells and plant cells, we have an image of animal cell, of an animal cell, and then a plant cell. Or plant cells, these are multiple cells. As you can tell, plant cells have multiple chloroplasts. Those are green, circular, oval-shaped things, while the animal cells don't have one. So by just looking at the pictures, if the cell has a chloroplast, then that is a plant cell. If the cell doesn't have a chloroplast, then that is an animal cell. So how to distinguish them? The animal cells have round circular shape, but the plant cells have a fixed rectangular shape. So as you can tell, the picture has the plant cell here is very fixed rectangular shape, while the animal cell has very irregular, actually. It has irregular circular shape. Through the microscope, you'll be able to see a cell membrane with a rigid cell wall composed of cellulose for the plant cells, but unfortunately, the animal cells don't have it. So you won't see a cell wall. You will only see a cell membrane. So both of them have cell membrane, but plant cells have cell membrane with a cell wall, but then animal cells only have cell membrane. So differences and similarities, I kind of organize them in two boxes. So both animal and plant cells include cytoplasm, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, microtubules or microfilaments, nucleus, and endoplasmic reticulum, both smooth and rough. So if you saw my previous video of comparing and contrasting prokaryotes and eukaryotes, you'll see the functions of Golgi apparatus, nucleus, and rough ER, and ribosomes, and cytoplasm, and all that stuff. So both animal cells and plant cells have these things, but plant cells contain a cell wall, like we talked about before, and central vacuole, chloroplast, and plasmodesmata, but animal cells don't have these. So let's talk about central vacuole first. It is actually the largest organelle in a cell. It is surrounded by a membrane and functions, and it works to the main role is to hold materials and waste. So this is pretty much a storage. And chloroplast, like everybody knows, it is a organelle to receive the light energy and convert that light energy into a sugar or a food molecule for the plants. And plasmodesmata, this thing is a microscopic channel or a valley for communication and transportation between the cells. So this is a gate, not a gate because it doesn't close or open, but it's just a road. It's a connection, open connection between the cells for the transportation and the communication. And animal cells have centriole, lysosome, and flagellum, but then plants don't have this. So flagellum is for the movement. It's it's a long tail-looking thing that animal cells have to move around. And lysosome is an organelle to hold an enzyme and digest a food, and sometimes it is used during the degradation of the cell. When the cell dies, lysosome acts up, and it helps taking up the waste of the dead cell. So yeah, the left box has all the things that both cells have, and on the right box, it shows you what has what and what doesn't have this. So yeah, this is pretty much what I have for plant cells and animal cells. Thank you.